Painters, I know people have told you that ads don't work in your industry, but after watching this video, you're going to have the exact campaign breakdown that got our client 170 leads for a $12 cost per lead. Let's get into it. So you want to create a campaign and create a leads campaign. From here, you're at the campaign level. You can name the campaign name anything. I like to name it testing with my initials, buying type auction, campaign objective leads. Make sure it is a ad set budget and make sure this setting share some of your budget with other ad sets is off. For A/B testing, that's for more advanced campaigns, so we're going to go ahead and leave this off. And make sure special ad categories is off too. From here, you can name the ad set name anything and make sure your conversion location is on instant form. We do instant forms because it's less friction on Facebook to where you're getting the most volume of leads, but they're still qualified. This is a key factor on how we got our painter 170 leads for a $12 cost per lead. Make sure that your Facebook business page is connected while doing this, and your performance goal should be maximizing your number of leads. You want to have dynamic creative on, and your daily budget should be $25 a day. And make sure the start date is on 7 a.m. the next day so that ads have a full day to actually spend that budget. For your audience, hit show more controls and set the minimum age to 25. There's not really any homeowners that are 18 to 24. And hit down on locations right here and search locations. From here, you're going to put your exact service location, or you can drop a pin. From here, you can drop a pin. So let's say I'm servicing out of Washington. We'll put it on the pin right here. As you can see, my current audience size is 1.9 to 2.3 million people. For $25 a day budget on painting, that is kind of steep. So we're going to set our radius to 8 miles. You want to be in that 8 to 12 mile range. It all just depends on your preference or your client's preference. Here you go, 1.7 to 2 million. That's good. From there, you can scroll down and hit placements. Go ahead and hit show more settings and then go down to your placement controls. This is where you can see where the ads are actually running to. So Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, Facebook profile feeds, Instagram profile feeds. Turn off Facebook notifications and Facebook Business Explorer. For stories, status, and reels, Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, that's good. Facebook in-stream reels, ads on Facebook reels, that's good. Search results, Facebook search results, that's good. Now that we're at the ad level, you can name this anything. I'm going to name it my initials with testing. Make sure your identity is your Facebook business page and your Instagram business page. Come down to ad setup. Keep multi-advertiser ads off. And then you can select images and select videos. So that's what I'll do. From here, you can see some of the winning static creatives that we ran for this painter. And if your media isn't here, you can hit upload and choose it from your files. This ad was a winning creative because right here, you can see that we targeted a pain point. Beat the summer heat. Also build curiosity with the lead by having the X's with the money symbol. We have our offer, and we also have a picture to build trust between the homeowner and the painter. You should have a real system like Go High Level in the back end working for you. Make sure when you add your creatives that you have all Facebook enhancements off. Those are going to cook your ad. Now for your primary text, headline, and description, since we did a dynamic creative, you want to have 5 of each. So what you can do, you can come up with these yourself, or you can go to the Facebook ad library. From here, you can search up all ads and then look up painters. From here, you can scroll and see what painters are running ads. Like this one right here, this is a good primary text. They don't have a description, but they have a headline and primary text. You could use this one and then come up with the description on your own. Coming back to the ads manager, your call to action is really important and can mess with conversion. You want it to always be get quote. And then for the instant form, this is what it should look like. So it's what services you need: interior painting, exterior painting, popcorn ceiling removal, or other. Hit next. What type of property is this? Detached home, semi-detached, townhouse, condo/apartment. Can you approve work at this property? Yes, no. And then it's the contact information: full name, phone number, email, and city. Privacy policy: by clicking submit, you agree to send your info to Pacific Contractor who agrees to use it according to their privacy policy. Facebook will also use it to subject to our own data policy, including to autofill forms for ads. And then thanks for your time. Thanks for reaching out. You can learn more on our Instagram. So that's a pretty good instant form. Ask 3 questions to qualify them, so when our painter reaches out, he can actually close these jobs and these leads actually convert. That's the full campaign breakdown in and out that got our painter 170 leads for a $12 cost per lead. If you want results like these and you want us to do it for you, there's going to be a link in my description to book a call. We'll see if it's a good fit. But if not, you guys should be able to implement this exact campaign setup for your business to start seeing results like these. Drop comments below if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.